SuperNURDs going to place an L4 Coral on the blue side of the field. The Cheetahs do the same. SuperNURDs back, have their reap with another. Oh, it gets on. That's 2 L4 Corals for them. 26-16, starting off the match. Steel Phoenix caught up in the cage, but now they're on the blue side of the field, doing some defense on Steel Singers. SuperNURDs getting an algae in their net. Arborbotics getting another coral from their coral station. The same as SuperNURDs. 50-25, moving over to their coral station, but they're being defended on by Steel Phoenix. Arborbotics going to place an L4. There's misses, but SuperNURDs gets on. SuperNURDs now has an algae, and they pop that up into the net. Arborbotics trying again at that coral. Let's see if they can get it on. SuperNURDs gets theirs on. Arborbotics gets theirs on. That's 10 more points for the Red Alliance. On the blue side of the field, we have Steel Singers going to place an L4 coral. Theirs gets on. 80-15 is stuck on top of the algae. Steel Singers trying to get them off. Will they succeed? Yes, they do. 50-25, still trying to get coral from their coral station, but being blocked by Steel Phoenix. Steel Singers dropping a coral down. It goes into L1. The Cheetahs raising a coral in the air, trying to put on L4. Oh, their elevator goes back down. Steel Singers getting an L3. Cheetahs getting an L4. A minute to go, 69-52. Red is in the lead. SuperNURDs rushing back, grabbing an algae, picking it up, and putting an L3 coral on, going over their net, and popping the algae up into the net. Arborbotics, L4 coral, 73-58 as we're approaching the 30-second mark. Red is in the lead, but only by 10 points now. Steel Singers going in for a climb. The Cheetahs with the coral, where are they going to put that? They're racing it up for L4. SuperNURDs dropping their algae, deciding it's better to climb right now. Cheetahs drop their coral. Steel Singers trying to raise up into the sky. They're almost up, trying to get off the ground. SuperNURDs trying to do the same. 2-1, and SuperNURDs